All right, everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel and another video. Maybe I'm getting back in the swing of this stuff. You know, it's like you come to these events and like hanging around all the other YouTubers and realizing how much of a slacker I've been maybe lately. But we're gonna try to do a little bit better on some more consistent content for the YouTube channel. But we are here at Bristol, and as you can hear, the Burnout contest is going on in the background. We made some friends with a guy that's here for the Bristol 1000, not to race, but we decided to let him participate in the Burnout contest, or at least go out and experience it. I don't know if he's going to be really considered competing with it, but let's get to the intro and we'll show you who it is here in just a second. All right, everybody. Well, I told you we had somebody special going to be driving the car. It's a new friend we just met here, and he had a couple of different options for how he was going to participate in the Burnout contest. But one of the options was him driving the old KSR SC300. So you guys may recognize him.
Listen, did you know that we're jamming gears and slamming beers? Let's go, baby. I'm gonna, you know, you're from Gainesville, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to put on a better performance than the Gators did this past week.
Ooh,
is it too soon?
That shouldn't be too hard from what I heard.
That's what she said.
Ooh. So, I'm from Gainesville, not a huge Gator fan. Sorry for you Gainesvillians, but you know, like, the Gators have had a little bit of a rough go at it, but you know, I think you're going to enjoy going out in the old Lexus and burning some tires.
Look, I've never done this before, so it's either going to be really bad or really good. Okay. Either way, it's going to be entertaining to watch.
Yeah, and you're going to have fun.
100%.
So, and I've already told Justin this, but if it hangs the rods out of it, I'm not mad about it. This engine's been in the car, and it was in the red car, so this engine's 2 years old, I think. She doesn't owe me anything. If it kicks the rods out of it, it's not his fault. He can't do anything different to it than I've ever done. So,
I'm glad that he's saying this beforehand, 100%. Because I'm nervous.
Taking the pressure off. Like,
I'm as nervous as a cat in a room full of rocking chairs, you know?
Yep. So Justin's going to have some fun. We'll get some video of that and then get his reaction afterwards, because I think he's going to have a good time.
Let's go. It's Bristol, baby.
That's right.
Come on.
Follow along. All right, so brought Justin down here. We got him suited up. And I don't know that he's ever heard the car because he's never been to one of these events before. So I'm gonna show him what it sounds like. Let's go. You ready? Here, let you hold that. Here you go. Oh, okay, you want to hold it? Okay. Oh, there we go. Even better.
Hold it up. Who's driving out there? We got our first female competitor of the evening, Haley Hills.
Let's go. You ready? Let's do it. I can't wait. This is awesome.
Start it out in low, get them spinning, and then go to high.
Yep. Perfect. This is going to be awesome. Perfect.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Alrighty. We got Justin strapped in. You ready to go?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's send it. Go have some fun, buddy. You ready?
I am born ready. I'm waiting to see this guy rip, dude.
All right, here we go.
Crush it. Heck yeah.
Where's my touchdown state day for fans at? All right, he's got something to say to you folks.
Listen, did you know that we're jamming gears and slamming beers? It's Bristol, baby. Let's go.
You heard it here, folks. Let's start the Burnout High Roll. All right, Justin. Justin. Good luck, buddy.
Yes, that was awesome. Do what? I know the second one was almost ready to go. I saw the sparks, dude. That was awesome. That was awesome.
Let's go.
Perfect. Only one mistake. You only pop one tire.
I thought both went down.
So it threw the belt off first. Yeah, you got one tire up. But look at how close it is.
Damn it! I thought both went down.
That was awesome. That was perfect.
Was awesome. That was fun.
Freaking awesome job, man. That was
Thank
awesome.
you.
All right, well, we got her cooled down. We did have a split in the power steering line on Justin's run. Not his fault. Might be eating the power steering pump, but that's what happens sometimes. But it's my turn to go out for the pro competition. And if it survives, I might do the tandem. But look who else is here. Drew's here.
Hey, look at that. Right there.
What the crap?
Hey, I don't have to fix it.
Wow. So I guess that means I can go out and hit it harder now. Okay. That wasn't nice, Drew.
But now, go hit it. Send it back.
I just had CJ push that out too.
It's fine.
All right, well, we'll see if she keeps power steering for the whole run. If it breaks the power steering, it'll probably throw the belt off, which I do have an electric water pump, so I don't know just how good that'll be. But perfect. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull over there into the car class. All right, well, I'm buckling in, getting ready to go. A little nervous to do this without power steering, but what's the worst that could happen? Guess we're about to find out.
He's finishing off the pro class, and then we go right into tandem. Justin using all the pad. That man is a serious contender, a hell of a driver.
Alrighty, you saw it. 2 tires off. We got them both off. We'll see. Have to see how well that run scores. Drew says I should have won. Drew says I should have won.
Driver did okay.
Okay. I'll take that from Drew. That's good. So I could not see, so I was trying to kind of feel my way around the pad with the lights around the wall. Hopefully I kind of filled the pad. I don't know though. But go find Justin and see if I can get his reaction to all this. All right, so we're wrapping up here at Bristol for the Burnout competition. What'd you think of that?
Man, that's the most fun I've had without my sister in a long time, and I'm from Alabama. You know? No, that was a blast, man.
Well, I think you did great for your first time ever doing it.
Thank you. I wish I could have popped both tires.
So close. So close.
Story of my life. So close.
Oh,
just
man.
a little bit short, though. You know what I'm saying?
A little short. Yeah, you just needed to hold it a little longer. So, and it would have been perfect. So
my wife says the same thing.
All right. Well, we're gonna wrap up this video for tonight, and Justin is announcing the Bristol 1000 tomorrow, which is the whole reason he's here.
Should be.
So,
it'll be entertaining because I've never done it before, so I'll either be really bad or I'll do pretty good at it. It's gonna be entertaining either way.
Yep, it's gonna be a good time. So it should be coming out later today. So baldeagle.com for the pay-per-view. You guys know him from TikTok, Justin Danger Nunley.
Listen.
There you go. And then you guys know my channel, so appreciate you subscribing to my channel. See you guys next time.